Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you how you can use some permanent vinyl to place on a cup, and then you can bling it out using some rhinestone and some beads. So let's get everything together and start making our cup. So I'm going to start by going into Cricut Design Space. So here are the two images that I chose for our mugs. And of course we're going to send them to our Cricut to be cut. And now we have our mug. We're going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean off the surface. And now we have our image. So we're just going to place it onto the front cover of our mug. Girl, why is it so hard to tell me the truth? You didn't want me, no. And now we're just going to use our scraping tool and burnish the image onto our mug. And now we're just going to remove the transfer tape. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to use some B7000 with our rhinestones. And I also have these gold little gems here, some more rhinestones. The gold gems I got from Michaels. These little beads here in gold and silver. I'm just using the gold. And then our rhinestones here I got from Totally Dazzled. So we're just going to place our glue and use our picking pen and then lay down the rhinestones and the gold gems going around the ladies here on our mug. You would be here now, and I respect that you didn't take that from me. Girl, you respect yourself. Cause girl, right now you are all that I need and more. And one more chance is all I need, babe. I just need you to understand just what I mean when I say I made a mistake. Girl, I need, oh, I need you, oh, need you. Girl, I need you, I need you, no, I need you, no. Know that I like. And now that her hair is all done, I'm doing the bottom part of her dress, her shoulders. And now over here, I'm adding some of the gold little studs going around the handle, just to give it a little more added glam to the cup. And now for our second mug, which is this black mug here. And I got both the mugs from the Dollar Tree. So again, we're cleaning it off with the rubbing alcohol. And we have our image here that we cut out with our cutting machine. So we're just going to line it up as best as possible onto our mug. And then we just smooth it out. Use our scraper and burnish it onto the mug. And then we're just going to remove the transfer tape. Doesn't that look nice? And again, we're going to be adding our gems. And I'll be using some of these red gems for the lips. Again, our B7000. Add the glue, and then we are going to add our rhinestones going right around the glasses. And now we're going to start to bling out our lips with the red rhinestones. And now that that's all done, I'm going to be adding our words. Unbothered. So just line it up as this, scrape it down, and then remove the transfer tape. And now I'm going to put the other half of the saying, which I think is mood 24/7. And now in the two circles of the word mood, I am going to add some bling. Doesn't that look nice? And here is our finished look for our first mug. With the glasses, I think she looks super cute. Unbothered 24/7. And then here is our other mug with her hair all blinged out. I think she looks super cute. And I also added some bling at the side where the handles are. And here is both of our designs on the mugs together. I think they turned out lovely. I love the eyeglasses. I think she looks super cute. But this is another fun idea that you could do with your cutting machine and your vinyls. Any pattern that you like, you can put it onto your mug and then bling it out with any color rhinestones that you like, and you will have a beautiful mug. And of course, let it set for 48 hours and you're okay. And don't place it in the dishwasher. Wash it by hand. No dishwasher with these mugs. So I hope I have inspired you with something nice to do. And remember to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one.